Okay, Vijay, you.
No, he'll announce the names.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'll just announce the names and then you please come on stage. Mr. Ashok Singh, Pradeep Kapse.
Pradeep has been a great support to us. He comes from Aishar, IIT Roorkee, and is on the board, and some of the things that you see which are happening at PAN IIT level, all board members have contributed, and Prakash, of course, has played a role in it.
Balachandran, IIT Kharagpur.
Bala, again, IIT Kharagpur, he runs his own firm and has been a constant source of, inquiring, pushing us to make things happen, pushing us things in the right way. Give him a big hand.
Prakash Kemani.
Prakash is our IIT Kanpur first batch, ex-Siemens, and a great guy for details. All our detail work is given to Prakash, whether it's a policy, the framework for cooperation, etc., etc. I don't do anything without involving him.
Revati Kasturi, IIT Bombay.
Yeah, Revati, of course, is not here, looks like, but she has been a great supporter in ITI movement.
Sanjeev Kelkar.
Sanjeev, of course, is a quiet man, but I can tell you, from ICICI, can do wonders if you just push him to call him for his help, and he has been a great supporter for our IIT Madras, of course, from
Subodh Kulshrestha.
Subodh is from IIT Roorkee, and I think is based here now, if I'm right. He has been a great supporter again.
Sanjeev Rengras, IIT Kanpur.
Sanjeev was here till last 2 days. He had to go. ITC, I think, make people work hard, looks like. They called him on Sunday for a meeting, so he's not here. But again, a great supporter of ITI movements and so on.
P.S. Ramanathan, IIT Madras.
Yeah, P.S. is again a dynamo energy. I think he has some work for his son. He's getting some degree abroad, so he's not here. But again, great guy who can push us from IIT Madras.
K.K. Dhar, IIT Delhi.
KK was around, but I have not seen him. But KK Dhar again is a person involved with IIT Delhi system for a long time. He is doing a great job again, pushing us, provoking us. He is a person who can provoke anyone.
P. Tota, IIT Guwahati.
Yeah, I'm not around.
Sumit Mudgal, IIT Guwahati.
Again, he's in Delhi, based Delhi. Sumit has come, then he should come up, but...
Sumit? No.
Okay.
Nobi Gupta, IIT Delhi.
Again, a great guy, a guy who can create sponsorship funds from nowhere, and a person who is running his own firm now after successful career in Raymond's, etc. And a great guy, not around, but he was here till yesterday.
Would you like to say anything about Ashank Desai?
No, I don't know who he is. Who is this guy?
Yeah.
I just have to say a few words about Ashank. I think I know Ashank may not want me to do this. Ashank had undergone a personal tragedy, but the last 2 months, despite all of that, he's been a great mentor and guide, and gave us enough confidence, gave us the direction. In fact, right through, he was always alert, just nudging if something was going wrong, if we are going off. I think, Ashank, you've been a great mentor, great guide. I really want to congratulate you, and also for the kind of support that you've given, but also tell you that you've gone through a lot, but despite that, you always kept the PAN IIT at the top of your agenda. So really want to thank you for all that you've done. So really give a big hand. I'd like us to get up a little bit. Just get up. So just give it. Thank you.
I think...
Thanks a lot. Thank you, Ashank.
I think, ladies and gentlemen, you should stand for him actually, because when people like him are there, my job is very easy. That's what he didn't say about that.
Next is Pradeep Gupta, IIT Delhi.
PG, where are you? Yeah. Yeah, no. I think we are calling here. Okay.
Yeah.
PG is again a great supporter. I don't know where is he missing.
Yeah.
I think he has been a great supporter, although he is a past chairman of PAN IIT. He still is very actively involved, continuously pushing me and Santhanam and getting all the help, including Prime Minister's and IBEF, that money that we got for all that he has done. Really committed guy to IIT, I can tell you that. You can't beat him. He's a MD CEO of Cyber Media.
Santhanam, IIT Madras.
Of course. Santhanam, please stand up again. Now that he has, where is he? Great job, Santhanam. We vote to all to you. I think that's what I said. Be the part of change you want to be. He is example of that. He made change happen. He brought this whole thing happen. Yeah.
Chand Das, IIT Kanpur.
Chand, of course, great guy. I will take, Santhanam will describe him better, but now time is short, so I will do the job. Great guy, brought the great promotion, great PR to the event. Thanks. I wanted to be you on my team in 2006. I keep on telling him again and again. Yeah, sorry.
Sarath Naru.
Sarath, great guy. Again, great program. Move fast. Otherwise, Sarath has done a great job. I think maybe Sun.
Yeah.
Sarath Daru is a great guy.
Yeah.
I think yesterday's Chennai Trade Center was his idea, actually. And I made him wear a coat, but you know the linen shirt is out. Okay, you know he's relaxed.
Raj Varadarajan.
Raj, where is he? I think Raj is writing his emails because he's written about billion emails getting people to come. So therefore he's writing his last email, getting some more crowd for the next session, I think. Raj is... Yeah.
Next is Anant, IIT Madras.
Anant, IIT Delhi.
IIT Delhi, okay, sorry.
IIT Delhi.
Yeah.
Although he took his interview in IIT Madras, so
Okay.
you're right, technically. And I think Anant has got one little job left, which is he has to make sure that we get connected to Google in exactly 7 minutes, 36 seconds.
So hold back the applause, you mean?
Yeah, so he's not fully relaxed yet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Raju Venkatraman.
Raju is making his last minute collections, I think.
Okay.
We've had a bit of a goof with one of our sponsors. I think he's gone to meet him and, make him sure that, understand that there's just a minor snafu, but I'm sure that he will work that out and come back. Yeah.
Ramana Prasad.
Ramana Prasad,
Where is Ramana?
I think he's doing the organizing at the
okay.
last minute, so...
And D. Chandrasekhar.
DC, yeah. I just want to tell you a story about DC. DC is super perfect and he resembles Prakash. I want DC to stand next to Prakash because he resembles Prakash. Both of them are in charge of finance. And one of the payment vouchers which I signed, and I wasn't in my senses when I signed it, it was written saying that not matching with the specimen signature. I don't think my company has ever done that, but he did that. So
thanks to all of you.
All of you.
As a board member of EC, you made this EC movement, the Pan IIT movement happen during the year. Of course, there was a changeover 1 year ago, and unfortunately they are not here. There were another 6 or 7 co-opted members from Mumbai event who also participated in the board. Unfortunately, they are not part of the board, so they are not here today. But they also contributed. I thank all of them. And this new team of 7 people came from IIT Madras. And the existing 2 people each from each IIT plus past chairman. That is the whole EC. Thanks again, EC. I again... Oh, one more I left.
I think we just left one more name.
Oh, sorry,
KK Raman. That's an oversight. Is KK Raman here? He's the exhibition grounds. But he's also been a great source of support.
So, that's it. Thanks again from me to all of you.
Before we conclude this session, I'll request Ashank to present a memento to Mr. Arjun Malhotra. Yeah. Should also join.